Hello, YouTube. It's been a long time. Um, yeah, a couple months now probably since I made a video. Just been really busy with work and working out, trying to get in shape for the summer and all that good stuff. But I haven't done anything mechanical or exciting. But I did start working on this guy here. My new roommate picked this up. Well, he didn't pick this up. He brought it from his old place. It's technically his dad's, but since I'm going to be using the piss out of it, I figured I'd get it running for him. So, it hasn't ran in, I forget what he said, 5-10 years, something like that. It hasn't ran in a long time. It's from California, so he brought it up, and like this fuel line was busted off, and the carburetor was just all nasty. All these plastic bits on here, you can see those plastic bits are all busted off, so I bought this whole new plate, replaced that, took the carburetor apart, cleaned it, replaced the fuel line, removed the gas tank, cleaned it out, reinstalled it obviously, swapped over the little shutoff valve there. So just minor things. It's gonna need some Fix-A-Flat or something in the tires because they just leak everywhere. But yeah, so it's just been all baked in the California sun. She's pretty wore out, but I think once we get it running again and get everything going, it'll be pretty good. It's a DR Mower brand, or however they work, or however they do it. This is a nice little Briggs and Stratton industrial 10.5 horsepower motor. So should be a beefy little motor there. I don't know how much more I can show you on this thing. It's got some pretty cool controls. Got a 4-speed tranny, obviously choke and whatnot. Key start. Still got to pull start it. It's got clutch engage. It's got drive engage. It's got a differential lock down there. Okay, sometimes, but everything seems to be free and operational, and so I have not even tried to start it yet. I don't even think I've pulled on the pull starter yet. Just got it all back together. I'm going to dump some fuel in it and try and start it up. So. Works so good I broke the chain. Yeah. Alright, let's see what I broke. Saw the chain hanging down here. Broke the chain or it popped off. The spiders. Here's the chain hanging out there. Seems like it's one piece still. So just popped it off the sprocket. Alright, it needs an adjustment. It needs to be lubed. Cool, thing works though. I'm glad it runs. Still a workout, but oh well, it cleared that out. Sweet.